What's up, guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage, another totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday. Today is kind of a tool. I guess it's not really a tool, but it's a tool to help you do something. This stuff right here. All right, guys. So I went ahead and detailed this engine bay right here, and I have a little bit of trim in this area that's looking pretty damn faded. Now this stuff, this Adams Black Trim Restore, this stuff works amazing. It actually has, I think it has like dye in it. So watch, when I put it on here, kind of put it onto a rag. Oh, let's shake it up. Look at this stuff. Oh, it's nasty. It's nasty. So it works very, very well, because what it does is it puts the pigment back into the plastic. So check this out. See that? Now with just regular, like some sort of coating, you know, like a trim restore or something, you're not going to get that pigment back into the stuff. So this actually makes it look really, really good. See that? And you just kind of put a couple coats of that stuff on, let it wait 5 minutes, rub it off, and you're good to go. This stuff works great on trim as well. I know there's a lot of these, you know, different coatings and stuff. Like this is all Carpro Pearl, like all this stuff. But that, you can just see how dang faded it is. It's gonna need a little bit more pigment in it. So this is the freaking stuff to use for that. And I'm really digging the way that this stuff works on black trim and molding and stuff like that. So guys, my hair's going crazy, but I've been working detailing this out, so we're gonna end this up. That is my totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday. This is the trim restore that I really am liking, this Adams polish for any old freaking black trim or whatever. This stuff works killer. Check it out, guys. It's pretty inexpensive. Link down below. Later, and wrench on, guys.